Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Marie's Creative Space. My name is Marie and in my channel it's all about too easy to create projects. Today I have some new ones for you, so let's just go ahead and jump into the first one. Project number one, I'm going to be using some of this white wax Waverly from Waverly and one of these wooden stars from Dollar Tree. And all I'm going to be doing right over here is gluing these 3 branches. You know exactly what I'm talking about, these ones. And I'm going to be gluing it all around the edge of the wooden star. In the beginning, I thought that I was going to need to cut them in order for me to glue them. But I quickly realized that it wasn't neat. It was not need to cut them because I can glue them perfectly without to cut them, without me cutting them. So that's all I did. Remember to protect your fingers because the glue go in between of these little sticks of the branch and you can get burned real easily. After I finish gluing all the branches around the star, I decide to give a haircut. It looked like kind of hairy for me or for my taste, so I decided to use my scissors and go all around and give it a nice haircut to the star. It's looking real cute already. Then after I was done, I glue one of these joy words and then I put a bow in the top, and I'm sorry you guys don't see me doing this, but that's all I did with it. And also I applied some white paint in the branches. In the project number 2, you're going to see that I'm using one of these angel packs, also from Dollar Tree, and if I'm not mistaken, it's 12 pieces. And I love in the way that this thing came out, but the paper was way too thin. So I'm going to be doing oh my god, I forgot the word. I'm sorry you guys. Oh Lord. Okay, a banner. And when I found out that they was like way too wiggly for say it, because it's just a thin paper, I decided to use one of my popsicle sticks and glue one in the behind in the bottom of the little head of the angel head, and I glue a stick over there to give a little bit more weight. Right over here you see that I'm using a pack of one of these white felt letters. I think it's numbers 2 in this pack, 100 pieces, and I'm gluing in each angel 1 letter, and I'm spelling or trying to spell peace on the earth. And after I apply the letters or glue the letters, because they come with glue in the back, I use some of these golden, they no markers, they are more like like you see over here. And in order for the letter to pop up more, I decided to use some glue. And this is how they are looking. And I did this in all of them. This is the piece of the popsicle stick that I was mentioning before. And you're going to see why I decide to use that piece of popsicle stick right soon. Like right over here, I'm showing you the glue, because this is glue with glitter. This little marker, it's not a marker, I don't know how to explain to you, but you see me using it over there. I'm going to use this garland and I'm going to glue each of these angels in the garland. And then in between, not in between of each of them, like here and there, like you're going to see, I'm going to be placing one of these golden stars. You see, I'm using the popsicle stills in order for me to have a place to, put the hot glue. And it worked amazingly. I don't regret at all me putting the glue in the piece of popsicle stick right over there, because if I glue it right on the paper, it was going to look messy. You know what I mean? So it worked. It made like a double work, for me. It gave way, and then I have a place to glue the angels. And that's all I'm doing right over here. I'm going to glue them all the way until the end of the garland. And then I'm going to be placing the golden stars. I mean, this is something real simple. I mean, you can do it with your kids or your grandkids, or it's real simple. I mean, next time, if I decide to do this again, I probably want to do it in the floor because I have more space. I don't know why I decided to do this in my table. But yeah, and that's all I do with this little project. Nice and easy. I place her in the front of my bar, in between my kitchen and my dining room. And it looks real cute. There you have it. I really love in the way it came out, like real quick and easy project. I really hope that you guys like it too. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Peace on earth. Nice. Project number 3. This is going to be more easy than the second one. I'm going to trace and make a circle in top of this picture that I printed. This is a printable. I did it in my printer, and I'm going to be cutting all around circle, like I said before, because I want to glue it in the front of this little plastic plate. These plates are also from Dollar Tree, in case that you don't know. I found them, I think it's 6 pieces of this plate, and they perfect for this project because they got like glitter in it. They clear, but they got glitter in it. I really hope that you guys can see. I'm pretty sure you guys can notice right over there. Yeah. And then what I did after I cut it, I just traced it with my nail in order for me to see and be sure where I was going to cut it. I use my glue stick, and now I'm using my Cricut tool to put all the bubbles out, and I'm going to be using one of those branches that I used in the first project to glue it all around of the plate and make it look more finished and more prettier. I'm gonna try to leave the free printable in the down below. I'm sorry, in case that you guys are interested in get this free printable. And I'm not sure if I show you, but here I also place a bow. I'm not sure if it's this one or the next one. They also I lost the footage or I erased it. I mean, I'm honest, I don't know exactly what happened, but you're not going to be able to see me placing the bow at the top of the little ornament, because if you guys don't know, this is going to be an ornament. Now I'm going to use some of this ribbon, and I changed my yes, I know I changed my mind and I decided to use the red one because I thought it was going to look much better. I'm going to be using a piece of this white paper to cover the back of the ribbon after I apply the glue. Like that, it look less messy. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's where I'm going to be hanging it in my Christmas tree. Now I'm going to be like breaking apart this decoration that, if I'm not mistaken, it came in another ornament. So I just breaking it apart because I want to use the little bow. Yes, the little bow. And also I'm going to be using the, I think, 2 little bells that was in it too. It was real cute, this little decoration. And I'm going to be using some pieces in my other ornament that I'm going to be using after I'm going to be doing after I finish this one. I decided to use more hot glue right there in the ribbon because like that when I hang the ornament is going to hang more straight, if I'm making any sense. You probably know what I'm trying to say. Yeah, this bullet bow is so cute. I'm looking around to see what else I'm gonna incorporate in with this bow. And I cut the berries, but I'm not using them. I decided to go with the bells like I said before. And I glued 2 of them. And just like that, you're gonna have the cutest ornament. You need to go and trying to find out these plates in Dollar Tree. I think they are really cute for things like this one. And there you have it, the cutest thing. I hope you guys like it. I really love it. I think it's so cute and unique. The next ornament, I'm going to be using this piece of wood, these round woods. You can find it in Walmart. I'm not sure if Dollar Tree got these pieces. But anyway, like I said before, I don't know if if I said it already or not. If I did, I'm sorry, but I misplaced or I erased the rest of the part when I applied the bow in this ornament. So I'm so sorry, but I did exactly the same thing that I did in the one that I made before. Trying to put the bubbles away with my Cricut tool and cut the extra paper that is in the sides with my scissors. After it get dry, I apply more Mod Podge, and I'm gonna be doing applying some cherries, if I'm not mistaken, and I apply another bow, and that's all I did. Plus the little Christmas greenery, like I call it. And it also came out so cute, and there you have it, the cutest thing. Isn't it cute? I really love it, and I hope you guys like it too. Let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite. I don't know, I like all of them. I always do. Thank you so much for spending some time with me. If you are new, I hope that you decide to stay for good. And to my subscribers, thank you so much for keep coming back. And I hope to see you in the next video. And God bless you all. I really appreciate you. Bye-bye.